In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for online assessment. 2026 full guide. Online testing has evolved fast, whether you're designing exams or preparing to take one. 2020X brings AI resistant questions, strict timers, and sophisticated proctoring. That means you need smart, ethical strategies. I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to build stronger assessments and to simulate practice for deep understanding. Always follow your institution's rules and do not use ChatGPT during a proctored exam. Let's start with creators. If you're an educator or recruiter, your priority is crafting questions that reward reasoning, not quick lookups. Ask ChatGPT to generate scenario-based multiple choice questions with plausible distractors and a single defensible answer that requires multivariable analysis. A prompt like act as an expert psychometrician. Create 3 complex scenario-based multiple choice questions for a senior management assessment. Ensure every distractor answer is plausible, and the correct choice requires analyzing multiple variables from the text. Works well. Paste in your case study. Ask for rationales in a separate section for instructors only, and request coverage of specific competencies so your test maps cleanly to learning objectives. For candidates, many assessments now include recorded responses or live oral components. You can rehearse this format by turning ChatGPT into a structured interviewer. Try. I am taking an online technical assessment for a Python developer position. Act as my interviewer. Ask me one challenging technical question at a time about object-oriented programming. Wait for my response, evaluate my logic, and give me actionable feedback before moving to the next question. Answer out loud, then type a concise summary so it can evaluate you. Ask it to probe your assumptions, time your responses, and raise difficulty as you improve. Grading consistency is another big hurdle. Instructors can standardize evaluation by asking ChatGPT to draft a clear tiered rubric. Paste your assignment and say, create a comprehensive 4-tier grading rubric for this online essay prompt. Explicitly define what constitutes excellent, proficient in developing, and poor performance for criteria including conceptual clarity, evidence use, and logical structure. You can request point ranges and descriptors to make expectations transparent. When studying, don't just memorize answers, diagnose mistakes. After a missed question, share the item and your chosen answer and ask, here's a question I missed and the answer I gave. Do not just tell me the right answer. Walk me through the logical flaw in my thinking. Explain exactly why my choice is incorrect and give me a rule of thumb to avoid this mistake in the future. Capture those rules in a personal error log. Finally, manage the clock. Provide your exam structure and ask ChatGPT to allocate time by section, including a final review buffer. Then rehearse under a real timer to internalize the pacing. Use ChatGPT strategically to design better assessments and to master concepts, not shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.